In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in Microsoft Teams. If you want your messages to be easier to read, or you simply want to make certain text stand out more clearly. In a chat, Microsoft Teams gives you a built-in formatting option that lets you do exactly that. This is especially useful when you're writing longer messages, announcements, or anything you want your teammates to notice right away. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. This is where you can open an existing conversation or start a new one, depending on where you want to send your message. Make sure you're inside the chat window where you plan to type, because the font size option appears as part of the Message Composer tools. Once you're in the chat, look down toward the bottom right corner of the message box. Beside the send area, you'll see a plus icon. Click that icon to reveal more options related to composing your message. If you're not used to using the expanded message tools in Teams, this is the place where several extra formatting and content features become available. After that, click on Show Formatting Options. This expands the text editor and gives you access to additional controls that are not visible in the simple one-line message box. When this panel opens, you'll notice it looks more like a mini word processor, which makes it much easier to customize the appearance of your message before sending it. Next, find and click the font size icon. This is the control that allows you to change how large or small your text will appear. Once you click it, a list of size choices will appear. At this point, simply select the font size you want to choose the option that best fits your message. A larger size can help emphasize key information, while a more standard size may be better for everyday conversation. After selecting your preferred font size, continue typing your message or apply the size to the text you already entered, depending on how Teams is behaving in your chat window. It's a good idea to quickly preview how it looks before sending, so you can make sure the message is clear and easy to read. And that's it. By going to chat, clicking the plus icon, opening Show Formatting Options, selecting the font size icon, and choosing your preferred size, you can quickly make your messages more readable and visually effective in Microsoft Teams.